you think one capsule could get your dick hard? Yo, you're fucking hilarious. Bro, so this is what pisses me off. Somebody will be like, yo, Pierre, you said you felt X amount of libido or X amount of energy boost, but I took it and I didn't. So I'll ask them, how much did you take? They'll say, hey, I only took one capsule. So I'm sitting here, I'm like, bro, did you read the fuck label? Bro, do you ever take something and not read what you're taking?
Look, okay, here's the thing. The reason why Sabre is different from everything else is because there's more ingredients. But I don't know if you guys can do the arithmetic in your head, but if there's more ingredients, that means it has to physically take up more space. Are you following me? So one capsule, you can't put enough stuff in there to be better than other things. That's why there's so many capsules.
And not just that. Look, not just that. I want you, please understand who you're speaking to. You're speaking to an absolute genius. We analyzed the entire competition when making this supplement. Look, we're not a huge established supplement brand. Supplements are hard to do in the market. I could easily start drop shipping you plastic teddy bears to some third world shithole and start making X amount on the margins because it's an untapped market. But we're not. We're selling supplements. Now, what is the objective of this supplement? We have competitors. What is the objective of the supplement? Boost your focus, increase your energy, increase your libido, and boost your testosterone. Our competitors that have these same effects all in one supplement, their serving size, who is that one? 10 capsules? 10 capsules. So obviously I'm like, bro, you will take 10 capsules if it makes you feel good, and it will make you feel good, but we're not going to fucking do that. We're going to give you a good dosage. So I'm going to take it here because obviously I take my own supplement every fucking day. And when we expand to have more shit, I'm literally just going to communicate every supplement company because I'm sitting here and telling you, and I'm telling you, and I'm telling you, my manager's behind the camera. He's actually not my manager, but I call him my manager. I'm telling everybody, 99.99% of supplement companies are fucking garbage. Because maybe you have a product, maybe you have two good products, but it eventually becomes about the bottom line. And you're letting somebody nurture your body who only cares about the fucking bottom line. And that's bad.
Word to the wise, and this has nothing to do with Sabre. This is just a legitimate piece of advice. If you see a supplement out there that has more than one ingredient, right? It's not just like one ingredient. If serving size is one capsule,